People doing fast, sloppy sit-ups, necks straining, backs arching. Be honest with me. When was the last time you really felt your abs working during a sit-up? If your answer is, not sure, you're not alone. Because here's the truth. Most people who do sit-ups daily are actually wrecking their spine and wasting effort. It's one of the most misunderstood exercises, and yet, it's one of the most common. Today I'll teach you how to do sit-ups the right way, step by step, so every rep actually builds your core instead of hurting your back. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to feel your abs fire like never before, even with just 10 controlled reps. Let's start with what almost everyone does wrong, because fixing these first will instantly change your results. When you interlock your fingers and yank your head up, you're not helping your abs. You're just putting pressure on your neck. That's why so many people feel soreness at the base of the skull instead of the stomach.
Keep your hands light, at your temples or crossed over your chest.
Your abs should lift you, not your hands. You bounce up and down fast, thinking more reps means more results. But that motion uses momentum, not muscle. The abs never stay under tension, which means zero progress. Slow is strong. If you're not feeling the burn, you're probably going too fast. When your lower back leaves the floor, the stress moves to your spine. Your abs shut off, your hip flexors take over, and you've just turned a core exercise into a lower back problem. Imagine pressing your lower back into the floor the entire time. That's how you lock your core in. Most people forget to breathe. They hold air, turn red, and wonder why they fatigue early. The breath is the engine. You inhale to reset, exhale to engage. Without that rhythm, your abs can't fully contract. Alright, now let's rebuild your sit-up from the ground up. Step 1, setup. Lie on your back. Knees bent, feet flat, about hip width apart. Don't jam your feet under anything. We want your abs to lift you, not your legs to throw you up. Step 2, position. Cross your arms over your chest or place your fingertips gently near your temples. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, flatten your lower back into the floor. Step 3, mind-muscle connection. Before moving, think about your abs as a seatbelt wrapping tight across your waist. That's your brace, as your protection. Think of your core like the foundation of a house. If that foundation is weak, no matter how nice the walls or roof look, the whole structure collapses. That's why we fix this first. Alright, now that you're set, here's how to perform one perfect sit-up. Step 1, the start. Keep your chin tucked, like you're holding a small orange under it. This keeps your neck neutral and your spine aligned. Step 2, the curl. Now slowly exhale and roll your chest up toward your knees. Not by pulling your head, but by shortening the distance between your rib cage and pelvis. The movement is small. Your shoulder blades just barely leave the floor. This isn't about touching your knees, muckin', it's about feeling your abs engage. Step 3, the pause. At the top, pause for 1 second. This is where you own the movement. That moment of full contraction is where the real gains happen. Step 4, the descent. Now inhale slowly as you lower yourself, down on vertebra by vertebra, keeping your abs tight. The goal is control, not speed. Every inch of that movement is a chance to get stronger. Don't waste it. Once you've got the basics, let's refine your technique. Foot check. If your feet keep lifting off the ground, you're pulling with your hip flexors. Fix it by focusing on keeping your lower back pressed into the mat. Breathing pattern. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. The exhale tightens your deep core muscles, your transverse abdominis, and the natural belt that protects your spine. Tempo control. Try 2 seconds up, 3 seconds down. That's how you turn sit-ups from a cardio move into a sculpting move. Reps versus quality. Stop counting how many you can do. Start counting how many you can do perfectly. 10 perfect reps are better than 100 sloppy ones. Now, if you're feeling confident, let's add some spice. Weighted sit-up. Hold a light dumbbell or plate across your chest. The added resistance forces your abs to stabilize harder, but only if your form is clean. Decline sit-up optional. If your gym has a declined bench, use it to increase range of motion. Keep that lower back anchored, then never let it arch. Slow negatives. Lower down over 5 seconds, controlling every inch. That's where muscle is built. In the resistance, not just the rise. Superset with plank. After 15 sit-ups, flip over and hold a plank for 30 seconds. That combo builds endurance and stability at once. Coach adds, remember, form comes first. You can't build strength on a shaky foundation. Here's a quick science bite for you. Your core isn't just your abs. It's a 360-degree powerhouse made up of your abs, obliques, lower back, and diaphragm. When you perform a sit-up correctly, you're training your body to stabilize under pressure. That's the same skill you need for squats, deadlifts, even daily movements like lifting a bucket or bending over. Imagine your body as a tree. Your limbs are the branches, your core is the trunk. If the trunk is weak, the branches can't hold weight. But when the trunk is strong, everything else thrives. All right, time to put it all together. Here's your perfect sit-up checklist. Feet flat, lower back anchored. Hands light, no pulling. Exhale and roll up slowly. I'd pause, feel the burn. Lower down with full control. Coach leans forward. Now I challenge you, do 10 perfect sit-ups right now. Don't rush, feel every inch. Notice how your abs engage differently. That's what real form feels like. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need hundreds of reps. You just need focus, control, and consistency. Master this simple movement, and your entire training foundation will change. If this helped you, drop a comment below and tell me, did your abs finally wake up? Hit like, share this with someone still doing neck ups instead of sit-ups, and subscribe for more smart training that actually works. I'm Jack, and remember, and don't just move. Move with purpose.